Welcome to my channel. Today we're learning how to play the worship song Still. Feel free to use the chapter markers to jump to the different sections of the tutorial. For reference, here's our middle C. We'll be learning the song in the key of C major. Let's start with the intro. First, we'll focus on the left hand. The first chord is F major, where we'll play F octaves, followed by C. Next is A minor with A octaves, followed by E. Then C major with C octaves, followed by G. Finally, G major, where we'll play G octaves, followed by D. So again, that's F major, A minor, C major, and G major. Now for the right hand melody, we have F, E, C, A, F, E, C, C, followed by C, D, E, G, and D. Let's play that again. When you put both hands together, it sounds like this. If octaves are a bit of a stretch for your left hand, feel free to play just the single notes. This section is played twice in the intro, and you'll also hear it as an instrumental part in the middle of the song. Now we'll cover the verse section starting with our left hand. The first chord is C major, where we'll play C. Next chord is G over B, where we'll play B. Then we have A minor, where we play A. On the right hand, we'll play C major second inversion with G, C, and E played together. For G over B, we have G, B, and D played together. And for A minor, we'll play the root position with A, C, and E played together. With hands together, we have C major, G over B, and A minor. Our next chord is F major, where we'll play F on our left. Then we'll play F sharp for A minor 6 over F sharp. Then we have G sus4, where we'll play G. And for G major, we'll also play G on the left. That's F, F sharp, G, and G. On the right hand for F major, we have A and C played together. For A minor 6 over F sharp, we have A, C, and E played together. For G sus4, we have G and C played together. For G major, we have G and B played together. That's F major, A minor 6 over F sharp, G sus4, and G major. With hands together, we have F major, A minor 6 over F sharp, G sus4, and G major. If we combine the previous three chords together, we have this: C major, G over B, A minor, F major, A minor 6 over F sharp, G sus4, and G major. Now we'll cover the second half of the verse section. Starting with our left hand, we have C for C major, E for C over E, F for F major, D for D minor 7, G for G sus4, and G for G major chord. On the right hand, we have G, C, and E played together for C major. We'll play the same notes for C over E. For F major, we'll play F, A, and C together. For D minor 7, we'll play the same F, A, and C notes together. Then we have G sus4 and G major. When you put both hands together, we have this: C major, C over E, F major, D minor 7, G sus4, and G major chord. If we add the first and second part of the verse section together, we have this: C major, G over B, A minor, F major, A minor 6 over F sharp, G sus4, G major, C major, C over E, F major, D minor 7, G sus4, and G major. This chord progression is used throughout all the verse sections of the song. For the second verse, I suggest playing octaves with your left hand to add more fullness, as it helps build the intensity since we are in the middle of the song. Here's a preview of the chorus section. The first chord is F major, which we learned earlier. Next is G major, where we have G on the left and G, B, and D on the right. Next chord is C major, which we already know. Let's try that again. F major, G major, and C major. Then we go back to F major, G major, and A minor. F major, G major, C major. Then we have F major and F over G, with G on the left and F, A, and C played together on the right. And then we can end on C major. At certain points of the song, we transition directly into the instrumental section. In these moments, we'll play F major, F over G, and then skip C major, jumping straight into the intro progression. If you're interested, feel free to check out some of my other worship song tutorials.